Autumn is here and leaves are falling. Any gutter open to the elements is going to collect leaves, acorns, seed pods, you name it. And cleaning your gutters can be a real challenge. With just one call to LeafFilter and the problem's solved. Oh, may I?
It wasn't just that LeafFilter cleaned our gutters and guaranteed that they'd stay clog-free.
Well, it was that.
Sure, but it was more that they saved us the energy of having to think about cleaning them. Every time the wind blew, I was just, what is accumulating up there?
It's like I can just see them piling up there like, and we hate heights.
Oh, so, we'd have to.
She always picks paper.
Except when I don't.
Our LeafFilter trusted pros are in your neighborhood. Call us today.
To schedule your free inspection, call 833-LeafFilter today or visit LeafFilter.com.